We're talking about the weather. I don't want to say it's a weather scare that we're expecting this weekend, but
it's going to be a big change for sure.
Yeah, we don't like it, Lauren.
You know, I don't really like it either. I wish it would just stay like a little bit cold outside, but we could do without the wintry precipitation. And unfortunately, that is exactly what's in the forecast. So in all seriousness, now is the time to go ahead and prepare for the chance of sleet, snow, and freezing rain. Icy conditions and treacherous travel on the roadways will be expected, and it all starts Friday night into Saturday, into Sunday and Monday. We're looking at extreme cold and the potential for some rocky conditions on the roadways as you head out the door in the early morning hours. So something I'm keeping a very close eye on, and also the National Weather Service is too. In fact, they've issued a new winter storm watch that is in effect as we move into Friday afternoon at 12, and it will stay in effect until 6 a.m. into Sunday. And in the blue shaded area, which will encompass all of North Texas and a good chunk of Oklahoma and stretching off into the east, that's where we're looking at moderate to heavy accumulation of wintry mixture and the potential for some snow. What I mean by this is travel is going to be impacted. Now is the time to go ahead and plan. Here's the storm timing. I'll show you a forecast model in just a second, but I do want to get you into what to expect as we move into that Friday and Saturday time period, because Friday throughout the day, we'll start the day off with some rainfall as we move into lunchtime, as well as that 5 p.m. hour in the light blue shaded area for our northwestern counties and those of us along the Red River Valley. We start to see that wintry mixture. Then as we move into that 4 to 9 p.m. hour here across the Metroplex, I-20 and I-30 corridors expected to get some of that precipitation. Then as we move throughout the rest of the evening, all of this activity slides down to the south and slides down to the east. Here's what it looks like on my forecast model. We start the day off into Friday with lots of heavy, steady rainfall. Look at that pink stuff. What the pink stuff is what I'm concerned about. That's a wintry mixture. That's a mixture between freezing rain and sleet. That's what creates icing on the roadways. That's what we'll continue to see as we move into Saturday morning and throughout the day into Saturday. Now, the blue comes into Saturday evening on this forecast model, and that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping we get a lot of blue because that is snow. If we get more snow, that means less ice accumulation on the roadways, and that continues to move off to the east as we move into Sunday and then tapers off by Sunday evening. Again, timing and exact amounts of precipitation right now are in the air, so it's something we're still ironing out. All we know right now is freezing rain, sleet, snow is going to be a possibility all across North Texas, and you need to go ahead and, well, get prepared for it. Rain, basically we get a warm layer in the atmosphere, and that's why it goes to the ground as rain. As we move into freezing rain, we see a warm layer in the atmosphere, but freezing conditions at the surface. That's what leads to black ice. Sleet also leads to icy conditions because we still have that warm layer in the atmosphere. And then snow, we have a cold layer in the atmosphere, no warm air, and that's why we see, well, snow accumulation. So when we see 72 hours of freezing or near freezing conditions, it's going to lead to some really big impacts, especially as we continue through the next several days. Refreezing will be anticipated Sunday morning and also into Monday morning. And again, this is all dependent on how much accumulation does fall and where it may or may not fall. So 13 degrees is what we're looking at, that temperature as we do move into your Monday morning. Again, dangerously cold conditions will be expected Friday through Monday. Now, as for tonight, we have a spotty shower opportunity along into the east of the I-35 corridor. Nothing to be concerned about. A high temperature tomorrow of 62 degrees. Karen.